we're gonna install, what do you call it, Wobbly Toots, one of his games called Universal Warrior. It's a game based on droids and, Star Wars ripoff. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to have a folder mounted right here. We're gonna mount this folder. I have 4 terabytes, so I just decided to do general disk G and then have a directory as DOS. You can do the same. Now we're just gonna put that up. And we're gonna do a mount command, okay? And then we're just gonna do G, then semicolon, slash, okay? Then DOS, or whatever you name the folder. Click A. Mount D desktops, this makes choice for me, blah blah blah. C. No, we want G, so we're gonna mount. Yeah. Nope, sorry. 2 seconds. So we're gonna mount G and then DOS. Mount the drive. Oh, drive there. Okay. Mount G. G, blah, whatever. Did I delete the folder? Hold on. Yeah, journal just G slash DOS. Alright. So we're gonna, G. You must mount, type intro, whatever. So we're gonna mount G. Then we're gonna do G semicolon slash DOS. I believe that's it. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go G. Dang it, forgot. Alright, so we're gonna go G. We're gonna mount this driver, we're gonna go into it. Alright, so now you see how we're in G. Now we're just gonna click install. Well, we're gonna type this in .bat. Then we want to do install. No, sorry. G install, right? G slash install, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna type in G to G. Alrighty, we're gonna click enter. It's gonna install it to a one directory. I forgot. So it's gonna start doing all this. And so it's gonna like get all these, and it's gonna take like maybe a minute. I don't even know if I'm recording. Yeah, I am. Okay, I am recording. Good. Alright. So now you see all this. Just waiting for it to do it so then we can go. Alright. Let me move my mic over here so that you can hear me type my wonderful ideas. So it's extracting the one disk. So now Alright, we can click enter. It's gonna install. I'll leave a download link to this game. It's a abandonware. So all you gotta do is you just gotta click enter. Click enter. You don't want to install this. You want to mount the drive and you want to have it like I said. You want to have it kind of like this. So then you have all these right here. You can put on whatever disk. You can put on home. You can put on your local disk. I decided to put on my general disk. And I put it in DOS. Alright. There we go. Alright. And then if we go over here. Machines. Boost. Blah, blah, blah. Should be here. We should be able to. Where is it? I believe it's warrior.com actually. So we're just gonna open that. So it's. I believe that's .com. I believe that's it. No, well, it says right here, type machines. I didn't actually do this beforehand, so you're seeing me do that. Alright. That didn't work. Alright, so you know, we're just gonna close this and we're gonna reopen DOSBox. Alright, so we're gonna mount G, then G slash DOS slash machines. Alright, now we're gonna go to G. Yeah, G slash. Now we're in G. We're just gonna type in. I believe that's it. Yep. There we go. Mark Edwards. Alright. There we go. Alright, so if we click Alt F10, I believe it is. F10. Leave it. I thought I was. Oh well. We can get this later. Alright, so we're just gonna click S, settings, save, plus a key, continue, creation. Fuck. Alright, this is gonna be, I'll be back, 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back. So now we're just gonna type in, I believe it's machines, right? Machines. Unless I screwed something up again. I think I screwed something up again. Don't you love this? I'll be back. You know, I'm gonna just reinstall it. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna mount G and then G semicolon slash DOS. Then we're gonna go to G. Okay, now that we're at G, we're just gonna click. We'll type in install.bat. We're gonna go drive G slash install, and then we're gonna go G to G. It'll install like normal. You know, yeah, I'm very sorry that it's taking this long. Alright, well, I'll get back to you after I get this done. Alright, so it's almost done installing. Now this is installing to a 7,000 RPM hard drive, 7,200 RPM hard drive. You know, I don't know, I probably messed something up. I mean, I did do warriors.com, and so that's probably what happened. Now this is just experiencing Wobbly Dude's Universal Warrior game, because who doesn't want to play his old games? Especially if they're outdated. Like me. Alright, so we're just going to type in machines. We're just going to click any we're just going to. Alright. Now we're just going to click S. Creation.config. Damn it. No, I don't want it. If I have to install this on the C drive, I'm a screw myself over. Fuck. Okay, I'll be back. Now I'm just mounting these hard drives. Well, of course it didn't mount because I just created it. So we're gonna go C, not D, C. Then we're gonna go C slash DOS. Alright, now we also need to mount the G drive, and then we're also gonna do G slash DOS. Alright, now we're just gonna go over and we're just gonna enter G. Alright, now we're in G. Now we're gonna go over and we're gonna type in, what is it? Install.bat. Alright, so it's looking for a C drive, which most people use. I use the G drive, so I have to, like, you know, Alright, so now we're just gonna do, G slash, whatever, install G, and then we're gonna do C. So we're gonna install from this G drive to C drive. Okay, I believe that's how it is. Please tell me it's gonna work this time. Alright, so it's installing the game to sleeve/machines. Should work now. I'll be back with you all. We're back! Again, it took forever. Alright, so we're just gonna install the... Oh, fuck. Alright, pause the stream again. We're back. Let's see if we can actually play the game now. Or try to. Because, watch. It's taken me, what, 15 tries just to install it. So, we're gonna detect the sound card. Waiting for A. Sound blaster. Yep. Checking for A dot slash. Should be good, though. A slash. You're telling me I have to have an A drive now? You're telling me I have to have an A drive? No fucking way. Yo, if we just start with a DOS box. Alright, so we're just gonna mount the C drive, and then we're gonna try this out. Again, this is terrible. Alright, so we're just gonna mount C, and then we're gonna do C/DOS/machines. That should be it, right? Alright, now we're just gonna do C. Okay, now we're just gonna type in machines. Alright. Took forever. Damn it! Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't set up my sound card. Alright, the machines. This game is called by Universal Warrior, the machines. It took me forever to finally get this. And when it did take me forever to finally get this, it sucked. Alright. Mert Studios Ltd. This is Wobbly Dude's old name. Old name. I'm gonna give you a hint on that. And it's not that my OBS is actually acting up. There's actually no desktop audio coming through, if you guys can see that. So it's definitely not my OBS. It's because, well, I didn't do anything with this. Alright, programming, Delrick Brewster. Alright, I don't care. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna turn that down. Michael, Mark. No, not that Mark. No. 2 marks, 3 marks so far, right? Is Cornell, Edward, whatever. Alright. Well, I installed it. Finally. Damn it. Alright. Music and SF by... Okay, I don't care. Just get to the bloody game. I want to play the Amiga. Come on. Oh, my hands. Okay. So we're just gonna... You know, it took me, what, 10 minutes just to install this game, and now I have to wait through this? Watch it actually error out. I'm waiting for it to error out. And when it does, I'm gonna scream. That's all. That's all I'm gonna really do, is just scream. We're gonna move my mouse off the screen. I forgot how to enable... I think it's Alt F10, but I'm not gonna click it because I know Alt F4 is to close the tab, and if I have to redo all this, I fucking hate it. Just give me... Alright, I'll skip to when I can actually play. Alright, I just figured out that it's Alt Enter actually, so I'm gonna click Alt Enter. Yes. No. That's not what it's supposed to do. Okay. Alright. I guess you all are gonna watch like that. Oh, great. I don't know how to escape from my mouse. No. Definitely not that. You're all stuck with me now. You're all stuck with me. I believe it's all... Yeah, it's Alt Enter. So, let me just get that. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. And I meant to have that and this. fire. Okay, alright, continue with game. Yes. Continue. How do these old games work? I don't know. My name's MNN. C? B? B? Alright, it's B. B. Alright, alright, go. B, go. Alright. Alright, just play. Yes, play. Good. Alright, easy as pie. Alright, very wonky. I don't know who could play this. Who would make a game this bad? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Alright, maybe it would be better if I actually configured a joystick. Then this is up. Alright. Then Z, X is that way. Then I'm gonna go up. Then I'm gonna go... No! No! No, no, no. Ah! No! No! Yes. No! Why can't I go that way? There we go. Yeah, die. Die. That's all I want you to do. Die. 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 Fucking die. Oh no, I can't move. Great. Hey, Wobbly Tooth, fix your old game. Fix your 2-year-old game. 1990 game. Recover! Recover! Yes. I guess I lost. Okay. That was Universal Warriors that Wobbly Tooth has made available for people to play. I can't play it, as you can see. I barely got past the first level, and what it took me some fucking long time to install it. And so I'm gonna just, you know, just, do that. Then you guys can, like, see the whole package. You know, you see me moving right now, right? Yeah, it's not letting me go anywhere. Nope, Wobbly Tooth. Wobbly Tooth, stop with that! Alright, well this has been Crack This Hang Kill. Trying his hardest to install games for DOS. And also trying his hardest to, figure out what the hell Wobbly Tooth meant by this. This has been Crack This Hang Kill, signing off. Bye-bye.